it possible to make orchestras on computer? You might have seen people produce something like hip-hop with virtual instruments, but you can't make alive and organic orchestras. Today I'll show you the overview of orchestra production on the computer. I'm not convinced, but let's say you can produce orchestra music on the computer. Then when do you do it? There are 3 ways and whys. First, those who have no access to real orchestras use virtual ones. Bedroom producers like me can make orchestra music thanks to virtual instruments. They are kind of recordings or samples of real instruments. They are designed to be played on the keyboard. So there are limitations, but I think it's cool that anyone can play orchestral instruments. Is it for hobby? It's good for practice for sure, but you can use them for like low budget projects. For example, people ask me to make orchestra music for YouTube, short films, trailers, and video games. Well, Hollywood composers don't use it, right? That's the second way to use virtual orchestras. Composers make mock-ups before recording real orchestras. They want to make sure the songs will sound great without borrowing a studio and gathering musicians. So virtual instruments are for tests. According to some interviews, composers leave some virtual instruments in their final work. They combine it with real orchestras or use them in creative ways. That sounds cool. Now I'm curious how you make orchestra music. Okay, let me show you my PC. First, I compose a song with the piano like traditional composers. Then I produce it with virtual instruments. I program it with a keyboard and controllers. For example, this is a horn ensemble. I do this on every instrument. When the production is finished, it's time to mix. Mixing is a process to balance every instrument by editing their volumes, dynamics, frequencies, left and right info, etc. Wow, that's how you make music. Well, it's not over yet. When mixing is done, there is a process called mastering. Even if the song sounds good on my headphones, it might sound awful on your iPod. I edit the song's overall volumes, dynamics, and frequencies to make sure it sounds decent on any device. So that's how I make orchestra music. If you enjoyed it, please hit like and subscribe. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments. Are you ready to make orchestra tracks? Watch the next episode. I'll explain how to program orchestral instruments. Thanks so much for watching till the end. If you can dream it, you can produce it.